Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this video about as a weekly recap about the trades taken last week. So let's get started here. First trade was EUR-AUD 20-minute chart. From 20-minute chart, the entry from 20-minute chart on the September 11th for 95 pip, and I'll show you the reason later on. The second is pound CAD for 100 pip to the downside here on the September 12th. Market was very slow last week. And then September 13, EUR-AUD again. This one, the first one was from here. The other one is from, see this one here. This is from the 7-minute chart. It is all the way down here for 80 pip. And then you can see here Euro-Yen going to the upside. Yen was weak and it's for 80 pip. And this one, EUR-AUD again, going down from all the way here on the 14th for 160 pip, while this one, pound Aussie, on the 14th for 150 pip all the way to the downside. Then I have this Euro-CAD, short entry here, and you can see on my entry, SL move to break even plus on the left-hand side here, the yellow mark showing the entry, and the trade is still on. I closed the trade after I record the chart, so that you can see that the trade is there. And it is by the book, by the setup, not randomly. This is Euro-CAD for 125 pips, same setup here. And then gold, same setup here. Sell order here. Small trade, but yeah, something, right? So these are the trades. Now, if you notice that Euro-Aussie, this one, then this one, and then this one, 3 to the downside. They all came from this, my 40-minute chart trade setup. See, this 40-minute chart trade setup is this. Same setup, but it's in a higher time frame. Then the prices start to drop, and from dropping, I had the 20-minute chart setup, and then took it all the way down here, then the 7-minute, and then another 20-minute for 160 pip. The first was 80 pip, the other one was 95, no, first one was 95, then 80, and then 160 pip from here to here, and then it bounced from there, right? From touching 78%. So this is how the system is, that from 40-minute chart you can make the entry from 27, whenever, but you have to have the setup, 4 conditions for the setup, and then you can pull the trigger. So this is how it is. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.